Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of Carel's floral design livestream. In this video, Carel will be making a table arrangement using aluminum wire and tubes. We hope you enjoy.
It's just the base, it's very tight and strong together, not to be forgotten. To put it in, a bit of explanation about the base. Used 3 kinds of different wires, some aluminium wire, binding wire, zigzag wire or bouillon wire, bouillon like the soup, and another kind of wire which I have finished inside. This idea came up because I was teaching yesterday the advanced course, one of the last lessons. It was a teardrop out of these wires. Everyone always loves it. There's one there, you can see it. Maybe I can take one off. Dude, it's easy. This is, you can see it good like this, I guess. There's a certain technique to get this teardrop shape. This will be all explained to you when you come to the course. Can even be a bridal course. Not the same, but similar style. All kind of wires. Again, a kind of a rotation in it. Afterwards, glued with just simple some phalaenopsis, orchids, and some ripsalis. So that's why this idea popped up, because everyone always likes to use the glass tubes, but I like to use these colored. What's this color called? Salmon, maybe? Old pinkish color. First, again, the Calisthenia. It's a kind of a weed just growing outside with the wide bells of flowers on it. Just let it go. Do it like that. No system. Just like that and just like that. Material decides. There it is. Otherwise the wire is until here and no more. So you have to make a connection. So make some connection again. Just a little bit asymmetrical. Wonderful ripsalis. They start even blooming. Very little white and pinkish flowers. Why am I cutting it? I just put it dry, but I'm cutting it. You see, I'm so used to it. Always a knife in my hand. Because it can stay dry in a very nice way. So this is a little bit asymmetrical touch. So you don't have to glue it because it's very deep inside. Normally it should all be nice and tight in it. See, star stamps already. For what you can use this? Any idea? Well, for example, table arrangement, dining table, buffet table. Okay, this is only 64.5 centimeter long. You can make it also 20 meters long. You need a bit more wire and time. Just put allium. Not exactly the same, a little bit dancing in the base. Yeah, Angelica.
Question from Shirley. Is there flower foam underneath the wires?
No, empty inside. It's just a ring out of wires. How have I done it? The one we made for the teardrop is made with a special technique, and this is done with a very simple technique. I just took a drainage pipe, the gray one, put all the wires around it. Yeah, left and right and left again and right again and up. If you hold it like this, up and down. Many times. Different strengths and different colors mixed. Don't start too tight. That's my only advice. Because every time you go around the wires you did before, it's going to be tighter and tighter. Start too tight, you really can't get it off of its drain pipe anymore. That's my biggest advice doing this. If you want it very small, you take a stick of a broom. Yeah, you can imagine. If you want a size in between, find something of that size. Maybe a bottle. Again, just for the nice bright dark color. I just took 3 only, Jacqueline, don't worry. For the color. And again, the very trendy. Don't need water. I'm going to put them in the tubes. Anyway, these tubes we have available actually, like all the other materials, like the wires, the binding wire, spool wire, zigzag and aluminium wire. We have available in our shop. How to reach our shop? Just pop in. We're almost always there. If not, you can use your computer. So floraldesignSupplies.com. I prefer to pop in, but it's a bit difficult when you're far. You're far, but still near, don't worry. You're always in our hearts here. See how nice it's going to be already? As I said, there's a table as a decoration, possible, buffet, entrance, anywhere. You can go higher if you want, but I have restrictions here because of the camera. And if it's on the table arrangement, then don't go too high, because people need to see each other. Whoa. Buddleia davidii, really deep purple color of flower. Wonderful. Attracts a lot of butterflies, bees. Everyone should have one in the garden. Very little bit of Rodante, the one we used before as little bundles in the wreath. You hardly see it fresh, only as a dry flower. It looks very fragile, but it's not. It's quite a strong one. But make sure if you put them fresh on water, absolutely clean water. No leaves in the water, because in no time it's going to be don't need to know details. You don't want that smell. Very nice. Spray rose from the garden. From the garden. I'm still having fun here, and I hope you, all the watchers, the friends, former students in future, hopefully as well. I hope you have joy and fun as well. A little bit crisscross, like that. Not so stiff. Just let it go. Go with the flow. Have I done all the tubes from that side? Not that this is front. No, it's an all-round arrangement. 2 more little grasses and the berry. Of course, the tubes are filled with water. Summer flowers, only summer flowers. Wonderful. You might think it's nice and cozy with a candle. I love it. Always candles at home. Also because it's nice and cozy, but also to wax some little orchid flowers, Phalaenopsis. Just if you want to use them, glue them in. You don't need to put them in oasis or so. You can glue them, but then take it from the plant, then direct the end of the stem, not the flower, stem only, just pop into the wax. Then after that, don't touch it anymore. So it's closed and it can't evaporate anymore. So it stays a very long time. Better the flowers direct from water. From the plant, they don't last that long. But if you keep them, cut them and put them on water, or buy them as a cut flower, they stay really for days. And the vandas, whoa, the big ones, the nice ones, even for weeks they can stay. It is now a bit easy. Put a very little bit of glue and I can put them direct on top, on top of the on top of the base, out of wires. They can't fall off. I concentrate the orchids now only for you, especially for you, for all of you, on that side. You can put them all but in the same position, but now, because it's all a little bit crisscross, doesn't matter too much. Now a little bit hiding the tubes. If you have very fragile materials and big fingers, maybe like mine, for example the teardrop we're making, this is especially for you, you can see what I mean. Tweezers, you know, this thingy. Yeah, for the eyebrows. It can be a very nice and handy tool as well for this. You will see it on the picture more close. I just need to, after using the oasis, floral adhesive, it means cold glue, just make sure you close it very well. Some tillandsias, it's a possibility, it's not a must. A little bit inside. I hope it touches the wires. It will become hard, of course. Always when you use something, it's finished. Like the stapler. Yeah, you want to use your stapler. Finally, staples are finished. It's always the same. It's also a little bit hint to ammo. Maybe just press for one. Dankjewel. You recognize that problem very well, like cello tape, same. You want to use the cello tape, finished. Let the glue gun do its work, don't press it. If you use a glue gun and it doesn't work, don't start squeezing it like crazy, because you damage your glue gun, that's a pity. Just wait until it's really hot and easily melts the glue sticks. I love this style. The arrangement itself is already nice. The wires, you can even use it, so make some nice display on it. Also, during the course, you can buy them ready-made, but you can also make them yourself, your little very transparent hearts. maybe next time or during the course. Make some nice display, everything pinkish. If you have some stuff around or you want to do something extra, something special without any high costs, you can make this simply display. Like making a window display, and you have a nice connection with the table. Not too much yet, we can add some more. Make it more nice and cozy. Some nice candles there. So, don't have to think. Some nice Holstein Gerbera. This I did in advance, just to show you how easy it is to make from something simple, grouping, put it all together. Hello there, the grass. Here came this nice smell from Lillian. If you want to have it up, you put it up. So, up. No, I'm not crossing the ripsalis that much, so. And just put it here and there, even from front. You're not hiding anything, you just create more depth. Simple materials, you make it nice and big. Can you still see it? Okay, one more, a nice bouffardia. And from pink, I start using all of a sudden yellowish as well, only because it matches my shirt. Hiding again. This is about it, I think. This was my second live stream. A bit more relaxed, I think, than my first time, and I can use to this. So next time, probably the three of us, maybe even more persons, at least Jacqueline, Mike Boerma, and myself, Carel Schenk. Thank you so much for watching, really, I appreciate it very much. Okay, doei for all of you, take good care, stay healthy, bye bye.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. The next couple of videos will be from our season finale from before the summer break. See you in the next video.